Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I am starting off with a peel off base coat. I am now applying my base colour. I did 2 coats to make it fully opaque. I am now applying liquid latex around my cuticles to protect them from the stamping. I am peeling off the protective film from the stamping plate with a pair of tweezers. I am applying stamping polish to the image that I'd like to use. I scrape the polish down the plate. I roll my stamper to pick up the image. I am now lining up the image, then I roll it over my nail. I use a lint roller to clean my stamper. I use a cotton claw with acetone to clean my plate after every use. I am using a dotting tool to remove unwanted polish. I use tweezers to peel off my liquid latex. I use a clean-up brush with acetone to clean up around my cuticles. I am now applying my matte top coat. I am now applying my favourite cuticle oil and I massage it into my skin. I am now adding a drop of glue. I place the charm onto my nail. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up.